Hi, and welcome to 8 Daily Affirmations, episode 64. Let's go through 8 affirmations to kickstart your day with positivity. I'll say each one 2 times, repeat with me to boost your confidence, reduce stress, and stay motivated. Let's get started with affirmation number 1. I am secure. I am secure. I can push through. I can push through. I breathe deeply. I breathe deeply. People appreciate who I am. People appreciate who I am. Every day, I relax more. Every day, I relax more. Today, I feel free. Today, I feel free. I am honest. I am honest. I meet my needs. I meet my needs. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.